Hello, welcome back to another calculator tutorial video. Today I'm going to be using some rent data that I've collected from online to show you how to do a line of best fit on your calculator. So, first of all, here's the data we pulled off. From iPropertyManagement.com, we pulled off the median monthly rent from the years 2014 to 2021 in the United States. And there are your years and your rent prices. So I'm going to take this data now and I'm going to put it in a table in our calculator. But how do we do that? Well, the first thing we want to do is go to Stat and Edit. Now what that's going to bring up is our lists. See, we have L1, L2, L3. We can keep going as many as we want. But for L1, we're going to put in our years. Now, because I don't want the data to be too high, I'm going to start with 2014 being the year 14. And that'll be my starting point. So I'll do 14, 15, 16, 17, through 21, just like that. And now we'll come over to L2 and put in the actual rent data in the same order that we put these in. So the first one is $920 and $928. All right, so now you see I have list 1 and list 2. Both of my lists are the same length, and the data is corresponding correctly. 21 is year 2021, and 1,191 is the average rent in the United States for the year 2021. Now, how do I turn this into a line? I'm glad you asked. If you didn't ask, you should ask. All right, here we go. So I'm going to go back to Stat. I'm going to go over to Calc. Now what I can do is come down to here, line reg, which is basically a linear regression. Then I'm going to go back to list, second list, L1, comma, second list, L2, and what it's going to do is create a linear regression using my two lists. And there you go. So if I were to write that into slope-intercept form, I would say y equals 37.107 x plus 369.5. So in my poor handwriting, there it is there. And what I could do is then take this data and say, okay, what is the price going to be in 2022, 2023, 2024, etc.? Well, for that, we would just take this being our year, and you can plug in whatever time you want it. So the price, y, would equal 37.107 times, let's say, 2024, plus 369.5, and if all goes well, let's see what the value is. 37.107 times 24 plus 369.5, and we would get an average monthly rent price of $1,260.07. And that's how you do a line of best fit on your calculator.